Hello student. So last class we discussed about the mirror and about the reflection, about the concave mirror, about their definition of principal focus, whatever the things are there. We discussed about that. Okay. So now we are going to discuss about image formation. Image formation by concave mirror. Concave mirror image formation keneke hoy. Keneke concave mirror image formation kora. First one, when object is at infinity, jetia object to infinity thake, so concave mirror আমি draw কৰিব লাগিব কেনেকৈ draw কৰিম চাই লোৱা ফাৰ্স্ট আমি এখন mirror এনেকৈ draw কৰিব লাগিব okay so আমি ইয়াক draw কৰি লৈ এটা আমি এখন mirror draw কৰিছো দিছো নাম দিছো m আৰু n. This is the pole, this is the ইয়াৰ পৰা এতিয়া draw কৰি লৈ পেলাই p আৰু f ৰ distance to যিমান দিম আমি same amount of distance f ৰ পৰা c লৈকে দিব লাগিব কি কলো মই that the distance between p and f, suppose we have given this distance 2 cm, then this distance must be equal to 2 cm. Okay, so first when object is at infinity, so object to code ase infinity ase, as the object is at infinity we cannot see the object, so we cannot establish the object here. We can simply give two lines. First line is coming in this way parallel to principal axis. So as we know, as the lines incident rays are parallel to principal axis, so after reflection it will passes through focus. Kihor maje gusi jabo focus or maje par hoy gusi jabo. Secondly, second line also coming from parallel to principal axis. Etu eta upor di ahisa eta tol di ahibo. After reflection this line also will passes through focus. So after reflection etu line ki hoy jabo focus or maje par hoy jabo. So if we see that these two line, these two reflected ray intersect at this point, a duita reflected ray principal axis to kotha bad diba, but duita reflected ray a focus on intersect korise. Okay, that means we can say what, that position of the object is at focus. Then size of the position of the image, sorry, position of the image, not object, this is image. Okay, sorry, size of the image. So image or size to kiman hobo, yar image to ami dhoribo pora nai because yak ami yar dekha poa nai. Yeta simple point hoy ase, so ami likho lebo highly diminished point size. So highly diminished means একেবাৰে বহুত বেছি সৰু যেটো আমি ভাবিব নোৱাৰো ইমান সৰু, and point size, but that means it is in point only, point হৈ আছে এটো হা. After that, nature of the image, ইয়াৰ nature to কি, so clearly এটো বস্তু সদায় ক্লিয়াৰ ৰাখিব তোমালোকে যে যেতিয়া ৰে কেডালে নিজে নিজে ইন্টাৰসেক্ট কৰিব, মানে আমি ইয়াক কোনো ধৰণে কবালে ইনক্ৰিজ কৰি দিব লগা হোৱা নাই, ই স্পন্টেনিয়াসলি ইন্টাৰসেক্ট কৰিব, দেন তাৰ নেচাৰটো সদায় কি হয়, ৰিয়েল হয়. আৰু ৰিয়েল লিখা লগে লগে when you write the real, always remember to write real and inverted, মানে ৰিয়েল হোৱা ইমেজটো সদায় কি হ'ব, ইনভাৰ্টেড হৈ যাব অটোমেটিক. Okay, so this is the where object is at infinity. Secondly we have when object beyond c, মানে অবজেক্টটো যেতিয়া beyond c মানে ইনফিনিটিত নাথাকিব কিন্তু c পৰা আগত থাকিব, মানে ইনফিনিটি আৰু c ৰ মাজত থাকিব. সো আমি এখন মিৰৰ নিকে লৈ ললো m n, consider a concave mirror. Okay, so this is the p. Now equal distance of f দিব লাগিব, p পৰা f ৰ suppose equal distance, আকৌ f পৰা c লব same distance লব লাগিব. এতিয়া আমাক কৈছে কি অবজেক্টটো বিয়ন্ড c আছে, মানে c ৰ পৰা আগত আছে কিন্তু ইনফিনিটি নাই, গতিকে আমি ইয়াত এটা এস্টাবলিশ কৰিব পাৰিম. সো আমি ধৰি লৈছো এটা এস্টাবলিশ কৰিব কাৰণে এটা ৰে ধৰি লৈছো, আমি এনেকৈ এটা ৰে ধৰি লৈছো যেটো নাম দিছো a আৰু b, আমি ধৰি লৈছো এটা a আৰু b ৰে ওপৰত আছে. So when the light will passes, incident ray to যেনেকৈ আৰু ওপৰ পৰা আহিব, যেনেকৈ মই কৈছিলো অলপ আগত, that after reflection it will passes through focus মাজে গুচি যাব. Okay, then one more rays will come what will happen to this ray? That outer ray ahibo, it will passes through focus. If focus or maze jabo, then after reflection it will go parallel to principal axis. So if focus or maze aha pisot it ki hobo parallel to principal axis gusi jabo. Eta ei dutal incident reflected ray, edal the reflected ray aru edal the reflected ray, these two reflected ray intersect at this point, so you have to draw a line from the principal axis to that point and give this arrow mark vertically, inverted way. Give this arrow mark to inverted way. Okay, and this arrow mark, this is named as a dash b dash. Yaga mi naam dibo laibo a dash b dash. So we have to say position of the image. Position of the image. This will be between F and C. Mane focus aru center of curvature মাজত হৈছে এটো আমি নিজে দেখিছো কাৰণ ই F আৰু C মাজত আছে then size of the image so clearly you can see ইয়াৰ যিমান size তাকে ইয়াৰ size তো অলপ সৰু আছে ইয়াৰ size তো মই এটা স্কেল লৈ মেজাৰমেন্ট কৰা নাই বাট আমি যদি স্কেল লৈ মেজাৰমেন্ট কৰো আমি গম পাম যে ইয়াৰ যিটো সাইজ থাকিব অবজেক্টৰ এই অবজেক্টৰ সাইজ তো ইমেজৰ সাইজৰ কি হ'ব অলপ সৰু থাকিব okay so size of the image this will become what size of the image diminished ইয়াত mean কৰিব যে সৰু small okay then I want nature of the image এটো যেটো নিজে ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰি আছে ইয়াতে নিজে ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰি আছে সো এটো কি হৈ যাব real and inverted nature of the image also real and inverted okay so এনেকে বহুত কেটা ডায়াগ্রাম আছে আমি ড্ৰ কৰিবলৈ জানিম সেম প্যাটাৰ্নৰ জাস্ট মই আৰু এটা ডায়াগ্রাম ড্ৰ কৰাই আছো হেতু কনকেভ মিৰৰ কাৰণে হেতু বিটুইন পোল আৰু এফৰ মাজত এটা অবজেক্ট থাকে এটা অলপ বেলেগ হয় কন্ট্ৰাডিক্ট কৰে এটো চাই লোৱা এটো when object between P and F মানে পোল আৰু ফোকাসৰ মাজত থাকে এটো চাই লোৱা এনেকে আমি এখন মিৰৰ ড্ৰ কৰি ললো ইয়াতো আমি এটাকে P দিছো ইকুৱেল দিছো F দিছো ইকুৱেল দিছো আমি C দিছো ওকে মিৰৰখৰ নাম M আৰু N আমি ধৰি লৈছো সো কি কৈছে যে পোল আৰু ফোকাসৰ মাজত আছে মাজত মানে ই এইখিনি ডিসটেন্সৰ কভাৰ থাকিলে হ'ল এনেকুৱা কথা নাই যে একদম মিড পইণ্টত থাকিব বুলি কোনো কথা নাই সো আমি ধৰি ললো we are considering an object AB over here so first it will passes parallel to principal axis as it is passes parallel to principal axis so as per the rule it will after reflection it will passes through focus so ya focus er ami par kori dibo lagbo okay then another ray will come directly at pole last video I said that when the ray directly incident at the pole making equal angle it will reflect so making equal angle it will reflect like this way okay then obviously you can clearly see that these rays are going like that mane ihot eneke bahi goise they are going like that way only okay as they are going like that way so they will never intersect because the distance between these two rays increasing larger so as the distance are increasing so it will never intersect so we have to produce this ray to its back side so আমি back side লৈ এনেকে produce কৰি দিব লাগিব আৰু আজি আমি produce কৰি দিলো এটো আমি পাই গলো এটা ray পাই গলো এটো ইয়াত হৈ গল যেটো এৰো মাৰ্কটো জিফালে থাকিব এটো হ'ব a dash আৰু তলৰটো সদায় b dash থাকিব okay so clearly you can see position of the image this will be behind the mirror and nature of the image etu nije intersect kora nai ami et produce kori disu godike etu real aru inverted hobo নোৱাৰিব therefore nature of the image will be virtual aru etu jeta virtual hobo je ki হৈ যাব erect হৈ যাব মানে এই jeta virtual লিখি লগতে আমি erect to লিখিব লাগিব then size of the image so তোমালোকে ডায়াগ্ৰামটো দেখি বুজি পাইছা যে ইয়াৰ যেটো ইয়াৰ সাইজ তো obviously আমি চকুৰে দেখি গম পাইছো ই ডাঙৰ হৈ আছে that means আমি লিখিব লাগিব enlarge and enlarge তো কি হৈছে যে সাইজ তো ডাঙৰ হৈ আছে okay so these are the some image formation by a concave mirror now we are going to learn about the image formation by a convex mirror see image formation by convex mirror. Now we are going to learn about this. So convex mirror, only two conditions are there. One object at infinity and one object between pole and infinity. মানে এটা হ'ব তোমাৰ অবজেক্টটো একদম ইনফিনিটি থাকিব, তো আমি দেখাই নাপাওঁ, আৰু এটা থাকিব পল আৰু ইনফিনিটি. সো মই এটা ড্ৰ কৰি দিছো. When object between pole and infinity or beyond the pole ক'ব পাৰে. So convex mirror আমি এটো মনত ৰাখিবলৈ আমাৰ ডায়াগ্ৰামটো এনেকৈ হয়, উল্টাকে হয়. So ইয়াত এটো P, this is F and this is C. I'm repeating again, this distance between P and F must be equal with the distance between F and C. Okay, so the mirror name is MN. So object is, what is said, that object is between P and infinity. So this is the P and this is the infinity. So between them there is the object AB, suppose. So what happened? Obviously you have to draw the diagram by using the scale only, okay, as I am not using here scale. So first ray will come parallel to principal axis. So as I said last video, that these will go reflecting like that, but the rays would be look like appear or emerge from this point. Rays to enakake lebo je focus opa emerge hoye ahise enake. And another ray will come pointing towards the center of curvature, and I said it will not pass through it. Okay, it will return by without changing the direction, but we can imagine a line like this way to the center of curvature. So these two imaginary line cut it at this point. These two imaginary line cut it at this point, and this is A dash B dash. So position of the image, the position of the image, this will be behind the mirror between P and F. Then nature of the image, এটা এটো রে কেটালে নিজে নিজে ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰা নাই, আমি ডট ডট দি প্লাই ইয়াক প্ৰডিউস কৰি প্লাই ইন্টারসেক্ট কৰাইছো. So nature will be what? Virtual and erect. Nature will be virtual and erect. After that, one more condition will be there, that what is the size? Clearly this is the size and this size, it is smaller, na? So size will be what? You have to give the mention that size is diminished. Okay, so after this all, we have very important thing to discuss. This is sign convention for a mirror. We have to discuss about the sign convention for a mirror. Sign convention for mirror. So sign convention to we discuss কৰিব লাগিব. তাৰ কাৰণে মই এখন mirror compare কৰি লৈছো. First আমি এখন mirror লৈছো. Consider a mirror. We are taking this. This is the pole. Mirror kon etu ki hoy? Pole hoy. So just try to remember the graph, Cartesian product, Cartesian plane you have learned in class 9. Try to remember that. Graph or ki thake? Enake thake. X O X dash, Y O Y dash. Graph or enake thake X O X dash and Y O Y dash. So graph or jeneke O right side all positive and O upor side all positive, and O left all negative, and O tolofale all negative. Same way, consider this P as a origin. Okay, so whatever things is this side, in this side, this will be negative. Jibilak bostu efale baufale thakibo, ebilak ki hobo? Negative. Whatever things in this side, this is also negative. It is doesn't matter whether it is upside or downside, but they are in the left side, so it is negative. Then whatever thing is right side, this will be positive. Mane right side thaka bilak ki hoy jabo? Positive hoy jabo. Moreover, whatever a thing upside from the P, mane P pra upofale jila thakibo, ebilak ki hobo? Positive hobo. And whatever things downside, in this downside from the P, then this is become what? Negative. That means consider pole as the origin, like a Cartesian plane. Then whatever in the left side, this will be negative. Whatever in the right side, this will be positive. Whatever in the upside, this will be positive, and whatever in the downside, this will be negative. Now say, for a mirror, for a concave mirror, for a concave mirror, for a concave mirror, there is a P, there is a F, there is a C. So this is the focal length. This is focal length, which is denoted by small f. For a concave mirror, this is the focal length which is denoted by small f. Then concave mirror object to horai left of thake. Object horai left of thake. So object distance is it ami denote koru u di pelai. Object distance is denoted by u, and focal length is denoted by f. And image also form in the left side. Here image to horai left side formation hoy. So image distance is ami denote koru v di pelai. So always remember, for the concave mirror, okay, for concave mirror, u, that is object distance, always negative. V, image distance, this is always negative. F, focal length, this is also negative for the concave mirror. And after that, there is one term, this is magnification. Magnification eta ase here. Magnification means what? How many larger the image as compared to the object, or how many size of smaller the image as compared to the object. So this is called magnification. So magnification is denoted by m. Yak uliwa duta formula ase. Eta hol ki minus v by u. So minus v by u means ki v means image distance and u means object distance. Aru der formula ase ki m equal to h dash by h. Iti eto amar kane notun hoy gol because ami h dash to ami poa nai agor. So h dash to keneke ule sai loa. H dash mane hol image height, mane image or height, and eto hol object height. Iti image height to keneke ule sai loa. Object to suppose yat dia ase etu ekhini ab dhori 6 cm. Then this will be the object height. This is h object height. Aru image to dhori tomar ifare formation hoy gol. So h dash, this is h dash. Suppose it is 4 cm. So this will be the image height. Okay. And when you find out their ratio, then you will get the magnification. There are two formula. One is minus v by u and one is h dash by h. Minus v by u means minus image distance divided by object distance. And another is one image height divided by object height. Height and distance are never equal. Moi yat asu, suppose mur ghor pa school or distance hoy gol 4 km. So hetu hol amar major distance. And more height, suppose more height 5'11". So more hetu hoy more height 2. Okay. So these two are different. Okay. So this is for the concave. So now again for the convex. For convex. So convex mirror we got like this way. That this is P, this is F, this is C. So convex mirror, yes, in last video I said whatever the concave or convex, when the object always come from the left side. Tamane u2 horai ki thakibo negative thakibo. He concave hok ba convex hok. And otherwise focal length is in the right hand side as per the Cartesian plane. So this is become focal length become positive. And image also form in this right hand side. Therefore V also become positive. So for convex mirror one condition is there. What is this? That for convex mirror u negative and these two are all positive. Okay. So for convex mirror only u negative, others all are positive. Positive. Okay. So magnification m for the concave mirror. For concave mirror by formula this is minus come. For concave mirror this is v will be negative, u also negative. So this minus will be cancelled. So negative. So magnification for concave mirror always negative. And magnification for convex mirror, that is minus v by u. So I said that for the convex except u all are positive. Samane etu minus hoy gol. So minus minus ki hoy gol? Plus hoy gol. So for convex magnification is always what? Positive. Okay. And from this all there is one formula. This is mirror formula. And a mirror formula ase that we are going to use to find out the object distance or image distance whatever the missing term is given. This is what? 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f. This is our mirror formula, where 1 by v is the 1 by of image distance, 1 by of object distance is equal to 1 by of focal length. So these are all needed for the calculation, to do the calculation to find out the object distance or image distance whatever the missing term is given by using that formula. Okay, that's all for today. Okay, thank you.